Hi, I'm Randy Reed. It's TodayInLighting.com. Wednesday, 17 December. We're sponsored by C-Max Lighting Controls, a simple, versatile, future-ready, and scalable technology by MaxLight. If you enjoy Today in Lighting, please hit the like button. Here are the stories making news. I am humbled and honored to name Neil Ashe, CEO of Acuity, as the Edison Report 2025 Person of the Year. I spent some time with Neil in person last week in Atlanta, and we had a fascinating discussion. You can read the full article at EdisonReport.com. Tridonic UK has appointed Lewis Wassell as Controls and Solutions Sales Engineer, bringing 17 years of industry experience to support customers with advanced lighting controls, building optimization, and data-driven solutions across the UK. Read more at DesigningLightingGlobal.com. KD Ping developed a 3D printed lens that reshapes LED beams into square patterns for museum lighting, improving efficiency and reducing waste. The prototype shows promise for conservation, retail, and architectural applications, demonstrating innovation through accessible, precise optics. I got to interview her and meet her in person at the annual conference. A fascinating young lady. Learn more at DesigningLighting.com. Halco Lighting Technologies has launched its Essential Round Highbay, a durable, high-efficiency LED fixture for commercial and industrial spaces, featuring field selectable output and CCT up to 161 lumens per watt, IP65 rating, DLC premium, and flexible mounting options. Yesterday, the Dow was down 303 points, but NASDAQ was up 54. We were down across the board, except for Energy Focus. They were up 7% on very low volume. That's it. Go light up the world. Have a great day. Pray for peace.